Our final unit on circles talks about graphing circles. So the standard equation of a circle with the center h comma k and radius r is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Important that we square the r. So we had a circle, and let's say it is right here, and it goes out 3, and the radius is 3 all the way around. And let's connect all those dots to the circle. So this is our circle. Our center is 2, 2. So our center here is 2, 2. And our radius is 3. So to put it into the equation, we put x minus center, the first one, being 2 squared, plus y minus the second one, 2 squared. And we equal that to the radius. Radius being 3, we need to square the 3, which is 9. To graph a circle, we do the following steps. 1, we want to find the center. We always start with the center of the circle. Then we plot 4 dots all the way around, and then to write the equation of the circle, we use the coordinate h for x and k for y, and we squared the radius. So here, to write the equation of this circle right here, the center is, if you count, it's 5 over and 2 up, so it's 5, 2. So our equation is x minus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals, and now we need to square the radius. And from the radius we count. There's 1, 2, 3 slots, and the units are 1. So that is 3 squared, which is 9. Let's look at number 2. The center is right on the origin, so h and k are 0, so we don't have to do anything with the x and y. But now we got to figure out the radius. The radius is 5, because you start at 0, you go up 5. 5 squared is 25. Number 3, the center is at the origin, but we got to be careful of our units. Notice that it counts by 2. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. So halfway between 6 and 8 is 7. So our radius is actually 7. So we do x squared plus y squared because it's on the origin, and our h and k are 0. Our radius is 7. We need to square that. 7 times 7 is 49. Number 4. Our center here is, if we go over 4 and it's up 3, so it's 4, 3. So our equation should be x minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared. And now we got to figure out the radius. So from the radius we count center on up, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's units of 1, so it's 4. 4 times 4, or 4 squared, is 16. Number 5, a circle with the center 0, 1 and radius 5. So the x doesn't have anything, so it's just a plain old x squared. The y has a 1, so we need to do y minus 1 squared. And the radius is 5, so we square that, which is 25. And finally, number 6, a circle with center 4, 0 and radius 6. The x has a 4, so we do x minus 4 squared. The y doesn't have anything, so it's y squared. And our radius is 6, so we got to square that, which is 36.